Hey guys, Max here with CAtuned Off-Road, and I got a ditch lap bracket that we're going to install right now real quick on a Land Cruiser 250. This is a 2024 model. They have a couple of models at the regular Land Cruiser, the 50, 58. They all work. So we're going to install it here. Ilya's going to show us how to do this real quick. It's really simple. So Ilya, what size is that? 12?
12.
12 mil, guys. 12 mil socket. Just gonna loosen up that one right there, the closest to the windshield. Once you have that, you're gonna save that bolt. The tricky part is actually, guys, kind of fishing it inside around that area. So just like that. That's the hardest part right there, guys. There you go. Bam. Now we're going to reuse that 12. Just like that. Now remember, guys, it's really the opposite on that side. So we're going to show you how to do one side because the other side is exactly the same. Just like that. What's really cool, while he's screwing that in, I'm going to show you some. We have these zip tie holes that you can run your wires. Get them out of the way. Sorry, Cameron, there you go. Just like that. Nice and easy. Bam. As you can see, nice and clean. It's not scratching the hood. Let's close the hood, Ilya. See, guys? Nice and tight. Really good. Look at that. Bam. All right, guys. Any questions, don't hesitate. Reach out, shoot us emails, give us a call. And then, yeah, looking forward for you guys purchasing some of our products. And thank you.